I'm back again. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Roar. What must I do? I have a plan. Today I eat.
Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing rice with kidney beans. I want to try this out. This is inspired by my my baby mama's mama. That she did rice with beans one time together. I'm like, wow, you could do that like that. I like making the beans all scratch, but today I'm lazy, I'm hungry, and I want to make some eggs, rice, and beans. So what's the fastest way? When I got these kidney beans, and I went and got a couple little ingredients to add to it. So let's see how this comes out. Rice first. How do you do? We're gonna make the rice, guys. Try it up good that way. The rice doesn't get stuck in there when you're trying to get it out. See? Rice. Right. It's rice. I did 3 rices. Oh, I make serious rice. My rice comes out beautiful, man. You guys don't know that. They say add the same amount of water. I add the same amount of cups of water that you add with rice. So if you add 3 cups of rice, you're supposed to add 3 cups of water. But you know, I'm not niche. I do it differently. So instead of adding 3 cups of water to 3 cups of rice, what I do is I add the 3 cups of rice, and I'll add about 4 cups of water, a little more water, and it makes the rice come out even more soft, like really rice. You don't want that hard rice. You want soft, nice rice.
I can't take this anymore. I
Hey,
can't take this
leave me alone.
anymore.
I'm clean. That was step number 1. Boom, boom, boom. Step number 2. Open the can up, guys.
You going crazy, man. You kind of scare me, though, man.
This is the beans, but before I drop it in there, I'm gonna do something first. Look. And what's that first step that I'm going to do? Cut up a little garlic in there, my friends. Garlic. Yeah, garlic, my friends. I love garlic. Gives it that little taste in that rice. This is raw cooking for you guys. All these little rice. I told you guys that's why you have to dry that cup good. All these little rice that got stuck in the cup. Now they fell here. What the mess? That's the best way to crack these. Because these are mish. You see this? Mish for this garlic. You see? Look how clean it came out. Yeah. Crack it there. There you go. You hear that? It's the fastest way. I used to be there with a knife cutting for an hour before. No, now I just there. It be like this. That's it's over with. It is over with. No more. You see? Now we just cut it into little pieces. Well, it's delicious. Beans, rice with eggs. Oh. I dump them in there, buddy. Dump them in there. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. You guys know that 3 cups of rice is 3 cups of water. I add an extra little cup. But I might not, because this already has a little water in there. So let's see first how it's gonna be looking. I like the water to be over the rice like by that much. Because once it absorbs it, it's gonna go and inflate your rice. That's what makes it. So boom. So we got that there. Now, so rice is in there. So I might just add exactly 3 cups because this already has. Let's see how. I'm gonna show you guys right now how it looks when I finish. And especially with beans too. Yeah, you want it to be sitting. So this is the look, guys. See right here, it looks. It's about what? I'm gonna put 1 more cup because it needs to be at least like that much, like I said. And it's not. So, but you guys already get the point. That's because all that, the beans, the water, excuse me, the beans, the rice, are gonna absorb that water. You want your rice to come out hard. So I'm gonna add another half a cup. Yes, sir. It's got the garlic, the water, the beans, oil, not too much. And then we're gonna put salt. To mix it a little bit before. So as you guys could see, yeah, it's good. That's good there. That's good there. Should be like that once it's perfect. Now, we're going to put the camera back over here. So we got everything done. We got the oil, we got the beans in there. Next step to do is close your lid. Before I do that though, I can't live without these 2 ingredients that I like to throw on. A little bit of garlic. A already have real garlic in there added. And the last but not least, my friends, is the paprika. Paprika. Yes, sir. So that's the fast and easy way to make rice and beans. And we are back to show you the finished result of the rice and beans made together. That way you don't have to make beans from scratch, which takes forever. This is a kitchen food hack. Wow, look at this. And look how nice this rice came out. Look at this. Nice, soft. This is delicious, guys. Telling me you didn't learn this hack here? Now you see. Thank you for watching my videos and continue to watch more, my friends.